Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to use Sonauto AI to make your own song from scratch, just by using text prompts. First, go to the sonauto.ai website and either sign in or create an account. Once you're in, click on Make Music or Make a Song to start a new project. Next, you'll enter your song prompt. Describe what kind of song you want. The genre like pop, electronic, or etc., and the mood like happy, chill, dramatic, maybe a reference artist or a specific instrument. The more precise your prompt, the closer the result will match your idea. After that, you can choose whether you want lyrics or just instrumental. Sonauto lets you generate with full lyrics or skip vocals if you prefer. Then hit generate. Sonauto will create several song variants based on your prompt so you can compare and pick your favorite. Once you find the version you like, you can preview it, refine it, maybe tweak the prompt or change style, and finally download the audio file. Some versions also allow you to share your track or get a lyrics video. And that's how you use Sonauto AI to generate your own music in a few simple steps. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next video.